Good morning viewers, I am Saraswathi working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology. Now we are going to discuss about the case study topic is NoSQL versus MongoDB. NoSQL is a not only SQL, it's a non-relational database management system, and MongoDB is a relational database management system which is used for a scalable data structure. My mentees will discuss the detailed differentiation between NoSQL and MongoDB.
Myself, Present Prabhu from Second SQL Safety Department. Today I am going to share few information about NoSQL. NoSQL stands for not only SQL and refers to the non-relational database. Unlike traditional database management system, it does not use tabular structure or rows and columns. Instead of NoSQL database have a flexible scheme, allowing them to store unstructured and semi-structured data, and they support multi-data models such as documents, key values, columns, and graphs. NoSQL databases are designed for high performance, horizontal scalability, and distributed systems. They are widely used in cloud computing, real-time systems, and big data. Example, MongoDB.
So myself, Ritwik, I am here to talk about MongoDB. MongoDB is a type of NoSQL database. Unlike the traditional database such as MySQL or other forms, which store data in table with rows and columns, MongoDB stores data in a flexible JSON-like format called document. This makes it easier to work with the data that does not follow a fixed structure. For example, in a traditional database, you must define all columns before the storing the data. But in MongoDB, you can store different types of data in the same collection without strict rules. This flexibility is very useful in real-world applications where data keeps changing.
Myself, Kapil, I am going to talk about advantage of NoSQL. NoSQL database provides a high scalability. We can easily add more server to handle large amounts of data. They have a flexible schema. This means we can store the different types of data without following a flexible data structure. NoSQL offer high performance when dealing with the high data and real-time applications. It can handle large volumes of data, including both structured and unstructured data. NoSQL make development easier and faster because the developer do not need a design complex table structure.
Myself, Sandana Muriel, second year CSC IoT. I'm going to talk about advantages of MongoDB. It is easy to use, first point. As Ritwik said, it is simple structure like JSON format, beginner friendly compared to complex SQL system in MySQL. Second thing is highly flexible, perfect for applications where data changes frequently. And third thing is it is scalable, which means it can grow with your application without major redesign. And fourth thing is it's faster development, no need to design strict schemas in advance, saves time during development. And fifth thing is handles big data well. It is suitable for large scale apps like social media and analytics. And sixth thing was good for real time applications. It means it really works well in chat apps, live tracking, etc. Thank you.
Myself, I am going to talk about uses of NoSQL. NoSQL is a database that can be applied to a high speed of flexibility and scalability. Like big data application, it can be handle the volume and data easily and used in an analytic data process system. Like we are going to post a social media post, it can be stored millions of posts in real-time application. It can be read and write fast with the application and uses in live chat, gaming streams, etc. And in e-commerce websites, it can be stored the product like detailedly like data and orders and fix the data difference by the product types.
Myself, Shyam Karthik. I am going to share a few features of MongoDB. First of all, documented oriented storage stores data in a JSON-like format like BSON, etc. And then flexible schema, no fixed structure is required. And then high performance, fast read and write operations. And indexing, support indexing for faster search algorithms, improves query performance significantly. And then aggregation framework, powerful data processing and analysis tools, works like pipelines for transforming data. Horizontal scaling, supports sharding, splitting data across servers, handles big data and high traffic easily. Transaction support, supports multi-document transactions, ensure data consistency when required. Replication, creates multiple copies of data, improves data reliability. Thank you.
Which file format is in MongoDB?
JSON format.
In NoSQL? Table format, that is rows and columns. What is the main difference between NoSQL and MongoDB? It is NoSQL. MongoDB? Structured format. Okay, what are the applications of NoSQL? Analytic applications? You tell me.
And scalability, flexibility from the data process.
Yeah, MongoDB applications?
Backups,
Tell me the real-time use cases of NoSQL and MongoDB.
in live chats,
Live chats.
Steam,
Uh,
command posting,
in MongoDB,
live
e-commerce applications, real-time database applications. எல்லாமே இதுதான். Thank you.